Alright, welcome back. We're going to be doing the straight nitro this time, where we left off. I was showing you what was left in the tank. This one's going to be straight 100% nitrometh. 20% nitrometh, just to clarify. In an old Johnson Red. Well, it's semi-new. It's old to me because I like my Husqvarnas. It is a good saw though, because it is a clone, like we were saying earlier. Parts from this saw and Husqvarnas both fit on each other, so they're like a clone. But here in just a second, it'll work the gas out of the carburetor and the nitrometh that was in it, and it'll be just straight nitrometh. Right, that's what I was saying. It's running out that fuel in the carburetor, and then it's straight nitrometh. You can hear it. There it goes. Revving up on its own. That's straight nitrometh. They brought the RPM band up. It burns so much different than regular fuel, so much hotter.
Gonna hang the R's.
Oh yeah, you hit that trigger, it's gonna scream.
Hang in there. So, what you gotta do? You gotta choke.
This guy has messed around with more chainsaws, snowmobiles, weed whackers than anybody I know with nitrometh. Now it don't sound too bad when you choke it out a little bit by tuning it. It'll run on straight nitro.
But you notice how there's hardly any smoke?
Uh-huh.
We are really lean.
Really lean.
But
what do you guys do on a Sunday? We blow up chainsaws and leaf blowers. Oh yeah, it smells just straight nitro. And it's taken. I figured it would have blew up by now. The leaf blower didn't make it 4 capfuls, and it ended up dying. So this is quite impressive that it's now running off from 100% nitrometh.
let's give her a little bit of fuel.
And give her a little bit of fuel.
Yeah, I think it's spark knocking just a little.
It sounded pretty dang good to me. I don't know about you guys. That was pretty impressive for straight nitrometh.
There's definitely a lot more nitro than fuel in it.
Oh yeah, that was just a wee little bit of fuel. If you guys like the content, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a like. We're on TikTok and YouTube. And we're trying to reach more people that like our content. Safety stick. Shit, I should have been farther back, it seemed like. Holy hell. Yep, that's going to be an interesting one to watch back in the video. And I really jumped. I know I did.
You screamed to the moon.
Yeah, you ain't. Will it run again? It is a little mad at us at the moment. It was running after that wide open scream there that you guys get to see. It no longer wants to fire up again. She's a little mad.
Heard it for a second.
Yeah. We'll see what the fuel looks like coming out of it. Quite blue. That's some lovely looking fuel.
About half a tank fuel.
Yeah, and then he's putting regular fuel back in it to see if we can't get this thing to fire back up, and we'll throw some more nitrometh down the throat. Yeah. It ain't done till we tell it it's done. Or until it blows up, because I can't stop that. And that's what we're here for, the science experiment. How much nitrometh does it take to kill a Johnson Red? Hey! She was alive for a second, and then took off like a bat out of hell. So she's still alive. She ain't dead yet. You guys have made it this far into the video. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. If you guys are, don't be afraid to leave a comment, like the video, maybe give us a follow. If you like the content, definitely follow. We do lots of it. Pull, pull, pull. She's mad. She says, not again. I don't want to be doing anymore. Alright. It says it's over what we're doing to it. Hey, there's something. Getting somewhere. Can't say we killed it. Can't say we've killed it. This is pushing on the second 10-minute video on this, so I mean, it's taking quite a bit. If you probably would have stopped at one cap full, you could run it and it'd give you a little extra horsepower boost.
Oh yeah.
And be reliable. We pushed it past the reliable point. But it still wants to run. It's there.
Or if we give her some nitro.
Alright, it may need some nitro to run on it anymore.
It
might only be used to it. Give her a little pour in of the nitro gasoline mixture. Oh Lord, that's all of it. Well, I guess, guys, if it's not dead, it may die. That was kind of awesome. It was like if there was a ghost hitting the throttle there. Wham, wham. Man, this series has been fun, that's for sure. Hope everyone else has enjoyed.